Hey everyone. Did you know that data scientists can spend up to 80% of their time just importing and cleaning data? Crazy, right? So today we're diving into the question, is there a faster way to handle CSV files in Jupyter Notebook? Stick around because you won't want to miss this. All right, let's jump in. Importing CSV files in Jupyter Notebook is a super common task, especially if you're diving into data analysis or machine learning. Whether you're pulling data for a project or analyzing trends, CSVs are everywhere. But let's be real. Nobody likes waiting around for data to load. So let's see how we can speed things up. You simply use pd.read CSSV, and boom, your data is in a data frame.
Firstly, I will import pandas library as PD. Then I will use pd.read CSV. And upload a random World Bank dataset, which I got from Kaggle. Boom! See how easy it is. We could actually save it in a variable named df, and then done.